Here in this quick lecture, we will be talking about the Amazon Inspector. So Amazon's Inspector allows you to do automated security assessments for your AWS infrastructure. That means it's going to look at two things. Number one is the EC2 instances, and for these EC2 instances, it's going to run in the backend, the AWS Systems Manager agent, and then it's going to analyze against unintended network accessibility, number one, and the number two, it's going to analyze the running operating system against non vulnerabilities. That means that automatically you are going to detect if you have issues on your EC2 instances. Then the second type of workload that is supported by Amazon Inspector is to analyze containers that are being pushed to Amazon ECR, Elastic Container Registry, and Amazon in ECR stands for Elastic Container Registry. That is where you store your container images. So you are going to get assessments of your containers as they are being pushed into Amazon ECR. Now all these reports are going to be delivered into the AWS Security Hub, and these findings are going to be sent to Amazon Event Breeze as well. So to summarize, we have an EC2 instance example running the SSM agent, and then the inspector service is going to run assessment continuously, and automatically the findings are going to be sent to the Security Hub and also Amazon Event Breeze. So the one that you are not able to see, this one is the Amazon Event Breeze. So here, what does AWS Inspector evaluate? So well, first of all, you have to remember that it's only for the EC2 instances and container infrastructure, and you are going to get continuous scanning of the infrastructure, but only when needed. You are going to look at the package vulnerabilities. So you are going to compare your package on your EC2 instances and your containers on ECR against a known database of vulnerabilities called the database of CVE, database of CVE. And then on EC2, you are also going to get network reachability assessments. After that, you are going to get a risk score that is going to be associated with all the vulnerabilities, and you are going to have to prioritize for them. Okay, that's all here for the Amazon Inspector. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next one.